In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Google Cloud Console, an essential tool for managing and deploying your applications on Google Cloud Platform. Whether you're a developer, IT professional, or just getting started, understanding how to navigate the Google Cloud Console can significantly enhance your cloud computing experience. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Google Cloud Console. To do this, go to your web browser and enter console.cloud.google.com into the address bar. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Make sure you use the account associated with your Google Cloud services. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with the Google Cloud dashboard, which provides a quick overview of your projects and recent activities. Next, you need to select a project. Projects in Google Cloud are containers for all your Google Cloud resources. They help you organize your services and track usage and spending. To select a project, look for the project drop-down menu at the top of the page, usually next to the Google Cloud logo. Click on it to see a list of your existing projects. If you haven't created any projects yet, you may need to click on New Project to set one up. Choose the project you want to work with by clicking on its name. This will take you to the project-specific dashboard. Once you have your project selected, it's time to explore the navigation menu. This is your gateway to accessing the myriad of services Google Cloud offers. On the top left corner of your screen, you'll notice an icon that looks like three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Click on it to reveal the navigation menu. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of services categorized under compute, storage, networking, and more. Whether you want to set up a virtual machine, create a storage bucket, or configure a network, this menu is where you start. Now let's talk about managing resources and settings. The Google Cloud Console allows you to view, manage, and monitor your resources easily. On your project dashboard, you'll see panels displaying information about your resources like virtual machines, API usage, and billing. To manage a specific resource, go back to the navigation menu and select the service you're interested in. For example, if you want to manage your virtual machines, click on Compute Engine and then VM Instances. Here, you can start, stop, or configure your instances as needed. Additionally, you can use the settings option found in the menu to set permissions, configure alerts, and manage your project's billing information. Remember, the Google Cloud Console is a powerful tool, but it can seem overwhelming at first. Take your time to explore different sections and familiarize yourself with its features. As you become more comfortable, you'll find it an invaluable asset for managing your cloud infrastructure. That wraps up this quick guide on how to use Google Cloud Console. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to take full advantage of Google Cloud's capabilities. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing.